In this little video, I'll be talking about eukaryotic translation. Now, of course, this is happening in the ribosome, and the ribosome is split into two subunits. We have on the top the large ribosomal subunit, and on the bottom we have the small ribosomal subunit. And the small ribosomal subunit is split into three sections: the E, P, and the A sites. And we can see that this ribosome is already getting started because it already has the growing polypeptide chain getting started on it. Growing polypeptide chain. And over here on the right, I have what happens to the label number 4 tRNA before it was attached. So this molecule, this protein known as EFTU, bound to the number 4 nucleotide and moved it into the large ribosomal subunit, putting it where we have it now. The point of this EFTU is that it provides an opportunity for proofreading the codon-anticodon matching. And this is pretty much it for step 1, and we can now move on to step 2. As you can see, the growing polypeptide chain has kind of extended to now include the number 4 codons. We can see up here that our EF2 has used its GTP, and that means that the GTP was hydrolyzed or dephosphorylated into GTP, and that means that it used that energy. Now we have this new molecule known as EFG. And what EFG will do is it'll kind of come and sit in the A site, moving the nucleotide 3 subunits over, and this pushes all the tRNAs kind of one spot over, and that gets us to step 3. And as you can see here, the tRNAs have moved over into their respective spots, and the EFG has sat in that A position, and we still have our growing polypeptide chain. Now it's just with the 4 where the 3 was. This would of course make the GFG use its GTP and turn it into GDP, and the 3 tRNA would dissociate out of the small ribosomal subunit. And now we can move down to the last step, where we can see the GDP formation with the EFG, and basically this is where we started, and now the entire process can start over again.